Hello to all Croatian citizens, we are anonymous. This message is sent to the Croatian people because of the bad situation in your country. We find it hard to believe that you cannot experience abuse by their politicians in the last 20 years. You are waiting for some things or someone who will stand behind you and solve all your problems. Unfortunately, that won't happen. You close your eyes in front of any new taxes, price hikes and the way in which the political elite and the bankers are related to you. You do not need help from anyone. You have all the resources and all the rest you need. The key is to get organized. Your country is particularly interesting because it contains a range of resources such as water, forests, pristine nature, sea and islands. So you are trying to impoverish you and take away everything you have. Crisis is just an excuse. Money is hidden in the bank. Policy of the last 20 years, the policy of impoverishment. Your children will be a cheap labor force in the European Union, where someone has also flopped to fail. As soon as you become aware that inaction will not solve this problem, and will succeed to restore the life you've always wanted, the message that will be sent to Zagreb or any other city when organizing to win the vote politics: be aware that the media and the state censorship do not fall for the provocation, will try to share as they work for years to bags, arguing over religion and ethnicity. Therefore there is no division. Listening to his heart, get organized, set clear goals that others can follow you, and repeat them together. It's the only way you can win. Weather conditions in Croatia are now bad, and people are freezing to death while rummaging through garbage. As politicians have taken to resolve this situation, they have not done anything. Find your true values. Do not lose their identity as a nation. A change of government is not the victory but the way the rule is. People should not be afraid of their governments. Governments should be afraid of their people. People wake up all, and join the fight against injustice. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.